Welcome back to Kerry's Kitchen. It's Mother's Day. What are we going to cook Mum for a breakfast? Can we do something special? I'm thinking, I've been to the markets. Look at these veggies I've got. Unbelievable. And the two that I'm going to point out today that I'm going to use is probably zucchini. What about zucchini fritters with halloumi? I think that's the go. I'm going to leave the eggplants and the capsicums for something special, maybe another time. Okay, so I've got my zucchinis. I'm going to cut the ends off, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to get the grater. Colander and a bowl. Put the grater in there. And I'm going to grate my zucchini. Just get it all down into it. I'm going to do 2 zucchinis. Then I'm going to take the moisture out of it. And then start adding my flour. I grate my halloumi, put some eggs in. It's a beautiful meal. I've got some great little things to put with it. And it's easy to do for Mother's Day. Give her something she can, eat in bed, get up, enjoy. Do it just for a weekend for yourself. It's fantastic. Look at that juice coming out. So we need to get all that juice out of these zucchinis. There, that looks like it's a good enough job. It's all out of there. I love using a serrated edge on my onions. Onion being grated while I let my zucchini just drain off a little bit more before I put it all together. Onions are making me cry. Now the halloumi cheese is going to go on top of the onion because I'm just going to all mix it in anyway. So I'm going to grate that as well. Bit of grating going on. Might need to buy myself a new grater soon. I'm wearing it out. I didn't talk about the capsicum and eggplant, did I? But I've got a cousin, Annette, that put me on to, I suppose you call it a dip, a paste, and you put it on bread and it's beautiful. So I'm going to have a go at making that soon. Thank you, Annette, for that tip. I look forward to it with maybe a bit of yellowtail wine. Could be a good thing. Looking forward to that. Okay, let's get back to my halloumi Mother's Day breakfast. So I've got my chives I'm going to add to it. I only need really a tablespoonful. So I'm going to start mixing it all in together. Got my chives. I've also got to add to this egg and flour and mix it all up. Add the flour, about half a cup of flour. Okay. 1 egg, I'm only making a small batch. And I'm going to mix all this in. Now I need to mix in lemon zest. Ooh, smell that lemon. Smells good. Okay, so let's go through it. I've got 2 zucchinis, medium size. I've got 1 onion, medium onion. I've got my chives, my halloumi, bit of lemon zest, an egg, and probably about half a cup of flour. Look how much I've made. Look how far this is going to go. This is looking and smelling fantastic. I really need to put a little bit of salt and pepper in there and just keep mixing this through. I'm probably going to put it in the fridge for half an hour just to let it settle, and then we'll bring it out and start cooking it on the frying pan. While I've got my fritters in the fridge, I'm going to put together a little side dressing. I've got some mixed lettuce here. I'm going to mix them in. I'm going to add some dressing so I can mix that through. I've got a little bit of a Thai dressing there. and I can mix all that through. Okay, so I've started cooking my halloumi and zucchini fritters. They're looking fantastic. I've taken them out of the fridge, I've let them sit for a little while, I've done some preparation to get my plate all ready, and now I'm ready to cook them and get them looking really good. So I've just used a measuring cup. Just another one. Pat them down a little bit. You don't want them too thick, but you don't want them too small. Heaps like it. These are beautiful. Well, I've flipped them over and I've really got these looking good. I'm really impressed. I'm really happy. And what I'm trying to show, I suppose, with my videos is that it doesn't take a lot to do beautiful meals. It's simple cooking, and I'm a simple sort of guy that likes putting things together, and this is beautiful. Didn't cost a lot. It's inexpensive zucchinis. They cost me 9 cents a kilo the other day at the markets. So you go shopping at the markets, you go looking for the right things, whatever's in season, and this is great breakfast. Let's put it together and start plating it up. Okay, let's start putting some things around it. So I've got my halloumi fritters on the plate, a little bit of garnish. Remember, I just put this together. A little bit of, look, fresh in the morning is beautiful. You don't need a lot. I put a little bit of capsicum in there. Just, look. Oh wow, look at that, beautiful. Now, tomatoes. Look at the ones I got from the market. Look at these. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? What if I just get a couple of tomatoes and just slice them? Little baby tomatoes. Look at them. I bet you're all starting to think about having breakfast now, because if you were here, this is what I would be serving you. Look at those tomatoes. They're beautiful. Look, I put them like that. I just like playing with things. Okay, mixed up a little bit of yogurt with some little bits of chives. Mixed it all up, and we're going to put that on there. Just let me get a spoon. I'm going to put just a blob on top. Okay, maybe a little bit more. All right. Maybe a little bit of chives on that again. And look, just because I'm like this, I like to put little bits of things to make it look good. This is simple little things that I love to do, and I love to put it together. Okay, and then just to finish off my plate, I've sliced up some strawberries. Aren't strawberries beautiful for breakfast? Okay, a little thing you could finish off with. There you go, I'll even put the juice in. There you go. What a beautiful breakfast. Halloumi and zucchini fritters. Have a great Mother's Day. Have a great breakfast. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you.